Hey everyone, Codex here. So today what we're gonna do is take a look at Fantom or FTM, and we'll be covering the recent parabolic move we've had. We'll also take a deep look at our momentum to understand what might happen next this month. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, make sure to join the Telegram channel. In the past 5 weeks, FTM has managed to go up more than 200%, tripling its value in what has to be one of the most impressive alt moves in January. And that came as a surprise to many because Fantom has actually been one of the worst performers last year, as it lost 95% of its value. Also, it's fair to say that in that period from September to December of last year, of course, the price remained flat in the same range, barely showing any signs of an upcoming breakout, and it kept showing a lack of interest from retail investors as the volume has been decreasing every single week. Now, this recent move up has in fact helped us break above the bull market support band, which we first went below in February of last year. And we always say that the first thing we want to see before turning bullish is a coin trending above this band, which is formed by the 21 EMA and the 20 SMA. And as you can see, looking at here, you can see how just after that happened, the price rallied up high. Now, the past week, things have started looking less exciting for Fantom, as it has gotten rejected within proximity of the 70-cent resistance, and the growth we were experiencing has been decreasing down. It has been slowing down. This, by the way, is completely normal because, first of all, this coin has gone on a parabolic move, and so having retracements and pullbacks where high leveraged longs get chopped off is expected. Also, keep in mind that Bitcoin has been flat since the end of January. In reality, BTC's price and even the entire crypto market cap haven't gone up for the past 2 weeks. All that has been happening is money rotating from one ecosystem, category, or coin to another. And so seeing the growth slow down a bit at these stages is normal. You can't actually expect Fantom to just steer through every single resistance and keep on going when BTC is flat. Now, if we take a look at the Phoenix Ascending indicator on the 3 days time frame, we can see that the blue LSMA and red RSI are still above the themed yellow line. Seeing the red and blue lines trend higher is usually a good indicator. It's a sign of strength. And we can notice how they have been just trending higher. The blue LSMA and red RSI in the past weeks, as the price has been displaying more firmness. The one thing I want to go over, however, is the blue LSMA and specifically where it's currently positioned. So, whenever you see the blue line trend above 100 on this time frame, it means that we are truly overextended up, we are overvalued, and a correction ends up coming shortly afterward. I'm not here to make up claims, but rather to show you what has happened in history so far. If you go back in time to 2021, 2 years ago, for example, when Fantom truly took off, we can see that the price only peaked at first when the blue LSMA trended above the orange line, which is the level of 100, and the price went down 52% shortly afterward. Again, I'm not saying we can't go higher at this time. All I'm doing is showing you what has happened every single time we had a similar looking indicator. Going back to the start of 2021, and we can see the same exact thing unfolding. A parabolic move for Fantom, and as the blue LSMA went above its limit, as it went above the level of 100, the price took a massive 72% cut. Going back to 2019, when Fantom was still unknown, and we see the same scenario playing out. The blue line trends above 100, and just a few days afterward, FTM finds its local top and wipes out a big chunk of the move up as it retraces 60%. Look, again, just to be clear with all of this, I'm not saying we topped in here because frankly, I don't know if we did or not. But what I can say is that Fantom has hit a parabolic move, and these moves don't end up well. The current volume to market cap ratio is somewhat inflated too, which makes me think that at some point a massive correction will take place, wiping out the late longs. Therefore, if you are fortunate enough to buy down below, I think it's time to rationally view the market. Music has been playing in your ears as Fantom has gone up massively, but that will stop at some point. And remember that profits aren't made until they are realized and you take them. I personally do expect us to trend back down and revisit some support levels, some high volume nodes like the 40 cents area, and see how that goes, but only time will tell. I do think that we will spend this quarter till the end of March, of course, trending between this resistance at 70 cents and this support at 40 cents, testing both levels back and forth. But for now, I think that Fantom is due to another 20% correction based on how the buying orders has been slowing down. So that was about it, everyone, for today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, of course. Also, if you want to store your coins offline in cold storage, make sure to check out Decent. They are still offering a discount on their biometric wallet with the link down below, or you can get the Ethereum card wallets. I'll leave a link as I said. Thanks for sticking by, have a nice day, and I'll see you on another video. Bye bye.